Just a quick Triumph vlog update. Today I'm basically masking up for the painting of my engine bay and my door jambs. I'm going to mask up the entire car and just leave those two areas that I want to work on exposed. The car was pretty dirty and dusty, so I've given it all a prep wash to keep the dust down and to try and keep it clean. I'm going to make a lot of work seem like very little by speeding up the whole thing. Anyway, for those people who are interested in how my Triumph project is going, this is the update for you. I'm stepping very slowly and hopefully positively towards the goal of having this whole car coloured in.